Good morning students, welcome to Archivision YouTube channel, subject mathematics by Lakshmi. So today we are going to discuss with the remaining problems of the same exercise, that is exercise 2.4 of the chapter polynomials. So in the previous class we have discussed with the first three problems, isn't it? So now we'll discuss with the fourth question. We'll start with the first question, that is factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. If you observe the given polynomial here, we are having how many terms? 3 terms, and the degree of the expression is what? 2. So I can say that given polynomial is quadratic equation, isn't it? So if you remember the class 8, we have studied that finding the factorization of the given polynomials, isn't it? So here we have to find the factors. Here we have to do the factorization for the given polynomials. So always keep in mind that here the quadratic equation should be in terms of a square plus bx plus c. So if you observe here, the value of a is what? 12, and the value of b is minus b, and the value of c is 1. So we'll just take the product of 12 and 1, that is a into c, which is nothing but 1 into 12, which is equals to 12. We'll just take the factors of 12 here, so which is the multiple of 1, which is the multiple of 2, as well as which is the multiple of 3, isn't it? So 1 12 is a 12, 2 6 is a 12, 3 4 is a 12. So the same how we can continue. 4 3 is a 6 2 is a 12 1. If you observe here the value of b minus 7, so is it possible of keeping in terms of 12 and 1? No. So suppose if you are taking the terms 3 and 4, I can say that minus 3 minus 4, which is giving minus 7. The thing is here the factor of 12 should be in terms of the value minus 7. So in terms, in the sense, either the addition or subtraction of the factor should give minus 7. Suppose if I am taking minus 3 minus 4, which is giving minus 7, and the product should give 12. Keep in mind that. So minus 3 into minus 4 will give minus into minus plus 3 4 is 12. We are getting the factor, right? We are getting the product 12. So the factors of 12 are 3 and 4. So we'll just keep in terms of 3 and 4 here. 12x square. So minus 7x I am just replacing with minus 3 minus 4, isn't it? So we got the factors of 12 in terms of 3 and 4. So the addition of 3 and 4, which is giving 7, isn't it? So minus 3x minus 4x plus 7, isn't it? So now if you observe the first two terms, that is 12x square minus 3x, we can take the common term, isn't it? We can take 3x common. Suppose if I am taking x common, so anyways 12 and 3 both are the multiples of 3. I'll just take 3x common. So what else will remains? 3 into 4, which is giving 12. So x into x, which is giving x square. So 3x into 4 is which is giving 12x square. Since I have taken 3x common, what else will remain inside the bracket? 4x minus I have already taken 3x common. What else will remain here? 1, isn't it? 1. Now the same factor I have to get what we have got inside the bracket, that is 4x minus 1, isn't it? To get 4x minus 1, what is the term I have to take common? Minus 1, isn't it? If I am taking minus 1 common here, what else will remain? Minus into minus will becomes plus. 1 into 4x is 4x. Again, plus into minus, which is becoming minus 1 into 1, 1. So if you observe here, we got the common factor, that is 4x minus 1, isn't it? So the thing is, we have to get the common factor. So we all know that. So plus into minus is what? Minus. Minus into minus is plus. So if 2 minus or else 2 plus, the product of 2 minus and 2 plus will give plus, isn't it? So we'll take the common factor as well as the remaining factor, that is 3x minus 1 into the common factor is 4x minus 1. So this is how we have to do the factorization for any given polynomials. Keep keep in mind that, so if we observe, we got the common factors, isn't it? The same how 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So since we are having the value for a, 2 should be multiplied with 3. 2 3 is 6. Now we have to find the factors of 6. So which are the multiples of 1 and 6? So the factors 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into, that is we have taken the multiples of the numbers, that is the multiples of the product will give the 6. So 1 into 6, 2 into 3. In the same how 3 into 2, 6 into 1, isn't it? So whatever the terms, if we add we have to get 7, and if we multiply we have to get 6. So how can you express 1 and 6? I can take the factors for 7, that is 1 and 6. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 6 which is giving 7, 1 into 6 which is giving 6, isn't it? So 7x can be taken as 6s plus x, isn't it? So we'll just take in terms of 6x as well as x. 2x square plus 7s can be taken as 6x plus x plus 3 plus 3. Now if you observe, in 2x square plus 6x, what is the common term I can take? 2x, isn't it? So if I am taking 2x common here, what else will remains here? So 2x into x which is giving 2x square, isn't it? So x. So inside the bracket I am going to get the term x plus, since I have taken 2x common, what else will remains here? 2x into 3 which is giving 6s, isn't it? So that is 2 into 3 which is giving the product 6. So already I have taken 2. So what else will remains here? 3, isn't it? So for the remaining terms, if you observe, I am already having the term x plus 3. So what is the value I have to take common? That is plus 1. If I am taking the common plus 1, what else will remains here? X plus 3. So our only intention is to keep in common factor. So we got the common factor x plus 3. What is the next factor? That is 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Got it? So the next problem is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Again 6 should be multiplied to the minus 6, isn't it? 6 into minus 6 which is giving what? Minus 36, isn't it? Now we have to find the factors of 36. So that we'll just start with the table 1, that is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, so 3 into 1 2, 4 into 9, 9 into 4, or else 6 into 6 is also we are getting. But getting factors is not important. The product should give minus 36 and additional subtraction should give plus 5. So in that how we have to take the factors. So if you observe here, in 1 into 36 it is not possible of getting plus 5. In the same how 2 into 18 is also not possible. 3 into 12 is also not possible. But if you observe 4 into 9, so I can take plus 9 minus 4 which is giving plus 5 and plus 9 minus 4 which is giving minus 36, isn't it? So that is how we have to take the factors. While taking the factors we have to be very careful. So plus 9 minus 4x to get 5s. I am just replacing with the terms. Plus 9 minus 4s which is giving 5x and plus 9 into minus 4 which is giving minus 36, isn't it? So the product should be minus 36 and additional subtraction should be plus 5. So we'll just replace with the terms 9x minus 4x here. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. So if you observe the first two terms, what is the value I can take common here? What is the term I can take common? both are the multiples of 3, isn't it? So I'll just take 3x common. So 3x into, what else will remains here? So 3x into x is 3x square. 3 2s are 6, isn't it? I can take 2x plus, so already I have taken 3x common. What else will remains? 3 is 3x into 3, which is giving 9x. So 3 is so if you observe the next terms, minus 4x minus 6, but here the factor we have to get is 2x plus 3, isn't it? The common factor should we have to get. So I'll just take minus 2 common. So to get 2x plus 3, I'll just take minus 2 common here. Minus into minus will give plus. 2 2s are 4, that is 2x. So minus into minus, which is again giving plus. 2 into 3 is 6, that is we got the term 2x plus 3, that is the factor 2x plus 3 common. What else is the next factor? 3x minus 2. The factors are 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3, isn't it? So the next problem is 3x square minus x minus 4. Again the product of 3 and minus 4 we have to take here. So 3 into minus 4, which is giving minus 12, and addition or subtraction should give minus 1, since we are having the value of b is minus 1. So we'll just take the factors of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3. The same how it will be continuing, right? So by doing addition or subtraction, we have to get minus 1 and the product should give minus 12. Is it possible in terms of 12 and 1? No. 2 and 6, again no. But if I am taking plus 3 minus 4, which is giving minus 1, isn't it? It's giving minus 1, plus 3 into minus 4, which is giving minus 12, isn't it? So I can replace that minus x can be plus 3x minus 4x. Minus x can be replaced with plus 3x minus 4x. So we'll just take the equation here. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x, isn't it? So minus x can be replaced by plus 3x minus 4x minus 4, isn't it? So if you observe the first two terms, what is the common term I have? I can take 3x. So if I am taking 3x common, what else will remain? 3x into x will give 3x square. So x. So what I will get here? X plus, already I have taken 3x common. What else will remains? 1. Isn't it? Excuse me. So in minus 4x minus 4, I must take minus 4 to get x plus 1 as a common factor. So minus 4, if I am taking minus 4, what else will remain here? X plus 1. Now we got the common factor, right? So what? Minus 4 into minus 1, which is giving plus, isn't it? X plus 1. So 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 are the factors. So this is how we have to find the factors of quadratic equation. So we have discussed with the factorization of quadratic equation. So in the next class we'll discuss with the factorization for the remaining given polynomials. So till then, stay safe, stay home.